Hi, and welcome to 24-Hour Corporation's instructional video on how to use and navigate our software. So I'm going to show you how to log in. Go to www.24hourcorp.com. Log in the up right-hand corner, and you can put in your username and password. Click Login. You're going to click Login again. In this video, I'm going to go over how to print your inspections, your door cards, how to fill out the form, and how to upload your photos. Now that we're logged in, always brings you to your home screen. You'll see up here at the top there's different tabs. In the middle is the inspector's scorecard, we would call it. And then down here is the status summary of all your inspections. So what you have open, completed, paid, follow-up needed, and total. So you can either click on the Inspections tab to go to your inspections, or you can go ahead and click Open here. So I went ahead and put in some fake inspections for us to look at and go over. So just a brief overview of this page. So these are all of your inspections in a short little brief view of what they are without actually opening them. So address, city, state. Here's your work codes, due, ordered, window start date. A window start date is an inspection that has a date put on it where you cannot do it until that date. So this says the 22nd to the 26th, so we cannot do this inspection until the 22nd. It must be done by the 26th. If you went and did that inspection on the 20th or the 21st, it would not be in compliance and it would be rejected. Okay. A couple little things I want to show you. You'll see these little print signs. That means that they were printed. So you'll see which inspections, if you print them, little printer sign will show up there. If you want to put your inspections in order by anything, that works. You can put them in order by work code if you click on here. You can put them in order by due date by clicking on due. You can put them in order by address or zip code. So just to be able to navigate, all these things are buttons you can click on. Okay. Up here you can also search for things. If you put the status to all and submitted, you can see all the inspections that you've submitted to us. So let's go over the door cards. Printing door cards. The best way to do it is to do them all at once so you're not wasting any paper. So to highlight all of your inspections, you're going to click right here. Highlights all of your inspections. And then at the bottom down here, I'm going to hit print. And then print door cards. So here are the door cards that we have for all those 14 and 15 inspections. So what you're going to do is you're going to print these off. You're going to cut out each individual little door card. You're going to put it in an envelope, a plain white envelope, until you get your supplies, because we do provide those. And then also Wells Fargo and Wachovia, those banks, those lenders have to have the word confidential written on the outside of the envelope. We do provide envelopes that say confidential, but until you get those supplies, you're going to want to write confidential on the outside of the envelope yourself. All the other lenders, the outside of the envelope will be blank. Never write a mortgager's name on an envelope. We're okay with you writing the house number on the back of the envelope, just so you know which one goes to which house. But I never want to see that house number in the door card photo if no one answers the door. Okay? Get out of there. Another thing we can do is we can hit print orders. Now these are the full orders that you can print out. And we actually don't want you to print these anymore. It's just a waste of paper. It doesn't show you what happened at the house last month, so you don't really, it's not really giving you any information. So the new thing that we've got instead is you're going to keep your inspections highlighted and you're going to print summaries. Printing summaries is just printing the top of the form where the information is. This is all the information that you need to know at the house. So the lender name, the owner's name, the address, the instructions for each inspection are here. You'll see down here that this one's a bankruptcy. highlighted in yellow. Always pay attention because some bankruptcies or do not contacts are not highlighted in yellow, so you want to pay attention. Also, you'll see this vacant. This is very important where it says vacant on each one. It'll say yes or no for if it's vacant, and if it has a date, that means it's vacant, and it's been vacant since that date. So if it either says yes or a date, that means it's vacant, and then no if it's not. So then you can go ahead and print this off, and now you have all the information you need for each of your houses. Later on, if you're going to use the phone app, you may not use the phone app for practice routes, but if you want to use it later on, just get permission from your state liaison, and they will approve you to use the phone app, and then you won't have to print these off because you can see this information in the order on your phone. Okay, so that's printing door cards. Another thing you can do with these, they're all highlighted, is we can export these into a CSV or a spreadsheet. This is what it looks like when you export it. So all that information is the same thing, and then just put it into a spreadsheet for us. So you can use this to import into either Streets and Trips, or I know MapQuest does it for free. You can just import this file instead of having to type out each address to route out your route.